Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install this police department MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. The MLO will cost you $32. So when you scroll down over here, by clicking over here, you can see the preview video of the MLO. So now you just need to click over here and purchase the MLO. After downloading it from the CFX portal, you just need to extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now and this is the police department MLO which we just installed. So the location of the MLO in the map is over here as you can see. So let's get inside the police department. So this is the main entrance of the police department over here. And this is the lobby of the department as you can see. So let's explore this floor over here. So this is the reception of this police department. And over here, this is the locker room of the police department. And over here, this is the sergeant's office as you can see. And this is the captain's office. And over here, this is the briefing room. So now let's explore the first floor. Let's go to the stairs. As you can see, over here you can see the armory. So this is the armory of the police department over here. There is a repair table as well. And this is the academy room. Over here you can teach the SOPs of the police department to the new recruit. And this is the kitchen, or you can see the dining room of the police department. And over here, this is the communication division, or you can say the dispatcher room. Okay, we will go there afterwards. Let's explore the top floor. So this is the top floor of the police department. And there is a helipad over here as you can see. You can park your Air1 over here. Now let's explore this area. This is the another building which is connected with this main police department's building. This is the meeting area. And this is the main office over here. And there is one more office over here. And this is the laboratory. Let's get out from here. So as you can see over here, let's explore the garage of the department. We went to the top floor from here. So to go to the garage, we just go from here. So on my right, this is the evidence room. So let's go over here. And when you go straight, this is the cells. As you can see. Okay, this is a mugshot room over here. So these are the cells. Over here you will find two interrogation rooms. So this is the first interrogation room over here. From the outside we can see everything what is happening in the inside, but from the inside we cannot see anything which is happening in the outside. Same for this interrogation room. We just need to come over here. This is the parking of the police department, as you can see. So let's spawn a car. Let's go outside. So now we are outside of the police department, as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.